Alright, YouTube, I need a little bit of hand here. Probably send this out to the mudders and see if I get some help. So if you listen carefully, I have a whir. Now, the power steering fluid was a little low. I've got that filled up now, but it was just at the low mark, so I don't think that's the pump. If I look down here, the belts are fine, they look good. The noise does not appear to be coming from the pump. The AC's off right now. The noise does not appear to be coming from there. It's obviously RPM related. It almost sounds like it's coming from right here somewhere. Fuel pump maybe? Something, is there something else underneath here that spins that I'm missing? The water pump? I don't have any leaks. You hear it surge like that though? The timing belt, so this car has 201,000 miles on it. The last timing belt was about 110 ago. So that's coming due. Does it make this kind of a noise when it's getting iffy? Something else? Anybody else got any suggestions? I don't feel anything vibrating more than normal. I don't know. Anybody has any thoughts, I would appreciate it.